In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn's Meshnet for traffic routing. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of setting it up, so you can enjoy a more flexible networking experience and potentially enhance your privacy. Grab your device and let's dive right into it. First, make sure you have the Nordvpn app installed on your device. If you haven't done so, please download it from the official website or app store. Once installed, open up the Nordvpn app by clicking the application icon on your device's dashboard. This is where it all begins. You'll find yourself greeted with the user interface where all the magic happens. Your Nordvpn app is your doorway to accessing the broader features that Nordvpn offers, particularly the Meshnet feature we're focusing on today. Now that you are inside the app, you'll need to draw your attention to the Meshnet area. Look carefully at the app interface and find the section labeled Device in Meshnet. Click on this option, which will lead you deeper into the Meshnet settings. This is your central hub for configuring which devices are added to your Meshnet. The Meshnet feature essentially allows devices to connect securely, as though they are on the same local network, no matter where they are physically located. This is particularly handy if you have multiple devices you'd like to connect seamlessly. With the Device in Meshnet section expanded, direct your attention to the next step. Connecting to the Meshnet itself, simply click on Meshnet. This action will guide you to the Meshnet settings, where you can manage, add, or customize device connections within your VPN network. By employing Meshnet, you can essentially route your internet traffic through any device in your network, providing you with the flexibility to mimic the location of other devices seamlessly. Remember, this feature can come in handy for various uses, whether you're streamlining your work devices or accessing restricted content by leveraging the locations of your remote devices. However, always ensure that you're using this feature responsibly, keeping security and privacy in mind. By using NordVPN's secure encryption, Meshnet provides a serviceable protective layer mimicking a local network, reducing some usual remote connection vulnerability. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully navigated through the intricacies of Nordvpn's Meshnet feature for traffic routing. Don't forget to explore further settings and options within NordVPN for an even more personalized and secure internet experience. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy safe browsing.